Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually showing you a brand new money making method that's going to pay you 100% passive to do absolutely nothing, guys. I'm going to be showing you everything inside of this video, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money in 2020. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. Now, before I show you guys the brand new money making method, I want to show you HoneyGating, because this is a website that is 100% passive as well, that pays you to literally just download and leave it on your mobile device or your desktop device, guys. As you can see, I'm already at $9.55 for doing absolutely nothing, and today I've made a total of 10 cents for doing absolutely nothing, guys. This website, if you click on the link down in the description and possibly inside of the comment section of this video, you'll be able to get a free $5 just for clicking on the link down in the comment section of this video, guys. So make sure you go down there, make sure you sign up for HoneyGating, make sure you sign in to HoneyGating on your mobile device and on your desktops so you can start making some money passively for doing absolutely nothing. I have made a lot of cash outs from HoneyGating itself, so this is my #1 money making method that is passive application at that, guys. So make sure you go over there, make sure you click on it, make sure you sign up and get your free $5. So inside of this website, guys, there is a lot of different methods how you can start making some money in 2020. Now I'm going to show you almost every single one of them. So the first thing that you do is, once you click on the link down in the description of this video, you're going to be led to a page just like this one, and the website is called GPT Mine. So I'm about to show you some cool information on how you can start making a lot of money with this one single application itself, and I have seen a lot of payment proof from this website, so it's a very promising one for me. And so if we go to my account balance, you can already see that I'm already at 15 cents, and I recently just opened up this application just a couple of hours ago, guys, and I've been having it run automatic all day today. So right now we're actually at the basic of the membership, guys. So I'm going to show you how you can actually upgrade. And so what you literally just got to do is click on this button that says start mining cash, or click over here where it says start mining cash on your dashboard, and you're just going to start, it's going to open up a new tab for you, and it's going to start making you some passive income by just having a tab open just like this one, guys. So this is the tab that I have been running and having open all day today. It just has a timer right here at the top left hand corner of the screen. So once that fills up, guys, you're just going to get some more money and some more points added to your actual account. So I'm already at 14 cents right here. So let me see if I refresh, if it moves 14,217. Look at it, 14,237 now. So it's just adding up money every single couple of minutes as soon as the timer runs out right here, guys. So this is a really interesting application that I am loving so far, and I'm gonna leave the link down in the description of this video and down in the comment section of this video as well. So let me show you some cool information that I really enjoyed about this website as soon as I just got through signing up, which would have to be the membership website. I'm going to show you some proof that this is actually going to be profitable for you guys. So in the basic membership, which is going to be the free version, you're going to be getting paid 0.0001 cents per minute, guys. Now you're going to have a captcha bonus of 0.0001 cents for just doing the captchas, and then you're gonna have a mining referral commission of 5%, which all of them are going to be 5% for referrals. And I already showed you guys in a previous video like this one right here on how you can start getting referrals for very cheap, guys. So make sure you go over there, make sure you watch that video so you can know how you can start getting some referrals and referral income on actual HoneyGating and different websites that you can think of, just like this one, guys. So make sure you go over there, make sure you watch that video. We are going to get a 2% of offer referral commission off of the offer walls, and we're going to need a minimum payout of $3 with the basic plan. But as you can see, the silver plan is going to be $2.50. A maximum payout is going to be $3. So I think every 12 days. Yeah. So it says no. It says right here, time between payouts. Every 90 days you'll be able to withdraw from the basic plan. If you move up to just $2 a month for the silver plan, you can withdraw every 15 days. And for the gold plan, for $4 a month, you'll be able to withdraw every 9 days, and $10 a month every week from this platform, guys. So this is a really cool application that I think that is going to be worth using. So let me show you how this is going to be profitable and how you can start making some money right away. So let's say we just spend that $2 for the silver plan of this membership. So we're going to get around 0.0015 cents every minute. So let's open up that good old handy dandy calculator. So now once we open up the calculator right here, it says that we're going to get 0.00015 every minute. So we're going to get 0.00015 every minute. So we're going to times that by however much minutes are in an hour. So we're going to do that by 60. So we're going to get 0.009 cents every hour. We're going to times every hour by 24 because it's 24 hours in a day. So we're going to get 20 cents or 21 cents right there, guys. So now we're going to times that by how many days are in a week, which is going to be 7. So in 1 week, we're going to get $1.50 for doing absolutely nothing but just having this on and running for 1 whole week, guys. So you can start making your first initial payouts. So we're going to be investing $2 per month to get $1.50 per week. So now if we times that by 4, because most months have 4 weeks in a month, we're going to get a total of $6, guys. So from $2 a month, you're going to actually get $4 in profit every single month for doing absolutely nothing but just paying $2 to have your this tab open and start making some money, guys. So this is a really profitable application or website, and I'm going to leave the link again down in the description and in the comment section of this video so you can get started making some money by leaving your actual browser open. And on top of that, guys, I just got through showing you how you can start making money by leaving HoneyGating open as well. So you can do tasks inside of here as well, which is going to be bits wall, PTC wall, WANA ads, CPA lead, clicks wall, ad work media, AdSense media, tasks contest, and we have even jobs that we can do, guys. So if we come over here, click on the jobs tab, it says make a promo post on Facebook, and you're gonna have a job ID of 4, rewards equals 0.02 cents. So you're gonna get 2 cents for just posting this on social media on Facebook. You're gonna get another 5 cents for posting this on forums. You're gonna get another 7-day silver day free trial for just posting this on a blog or a website. So that's a really cool one. Even posting a YouTube video like I'm doing right now, I'm going to be getting a free 10 cents for doing absolutely nothing, guys. It says make a video about our website fulfilling all requirements, then publish it on YouTube to get 10 cents. Video duration is 3 minutes. Video quality is 360p. Description include your referral link. It looks like I just did that. So you guys can easily do that as well by just making a quick video of this website and then putting in that URL link for that video right here, guys, and then you can start making your free 10 cents for doing absolutely nothing but just posting a video of 3 minutes, guys. And on top of that, you can even get the 7-day free trial of the silver membership for just doing this, guys. A requirement of at least 200 words. An article made by original blog must be at least 30 days old. Blog must be paid domain name. So there's just requirements within all of these that you need to do in order to start getting your money from these jobs. There's even more ways you can actually get some money through referral contests, rewards, and you can withdraw your money. So let's go to the withdraw tab. So now within the withdraw tab, we can withdraw our money once we reach at least 15,000 mine minutes, and withdrawal amounts must be over $3, and we can withdraw again in 90 days. Upgrade your account to withdraw anytime you want. Attention. Current withdrawal fees is 10% and will be deducted from your withdrawal amount. So this is only going to be working through PayPal at the moment, but eventually they will have Bitcoin, cryptocurrency pretty much, and different fiat currency methods where you can start withdrawing some money on this website alone. And on top of that, guys, there's even an advertisement section where you can advertise your own links, your own websites, your own referral links inside of this, and it's super cheap. I think it's $1 a day, which will will keep the doctors away, so that you can actually start getting some referrals on your websites and making some referral income within this website, and using this website to make that money, that $1 every single day, and then just reinvesting this over and over again, and growing this account, and then growing your account on your actual affiliate links right here in the advertisement section. So there's different methods that you can start using this website, this one simple website, to start making some money while we're all at home, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.